Move up, go! Come on, there's no gas. What?
I'm moving to you.
Watch out.
Move to him. Move that up right now.
Ready? To the medic house. Woo! Medic house. You're clear to there. What?
Can you get around the side and get him?
Nuh-uh. You got people over here.
Okay. We got advanced somehow, guys.
There's a van over there. You got two behind it.
Yeah.
Got more over here this direction.
You guys want to work left? Go that way?
It looks pretty clear left to the...
Left, go left!
Oh, shit. Come back to you and go around behind. Bounced off my gun. Yeah. Come back across.
What's up, Ghost?
Different angle on this guy.
You got a good beat on that tower? Mm-hmm. All right,
Why is he not calling it?
yeah, in the front and in the back. Hey, you got a farm.
Got him.
Left over there.
See this house with a bunch of writing on it? There was a guy there.
It's actually almost over at that other tower. Hey, can I go up?
Watch out, watch out! Yeah, that. Woo!
Where they at?
Through this opening in the fence, directly across from me. Put yourself against that wall. Oh shit. Where does that come from? Looks like we got one on the tower. You clear up there? Chase, situation. If I run across, am I clear?
Yeah, go.
I see him. Shoot right in that window. Reload. What? Oh, you're ours.
Is it clear over there? Well, it seems to be since you're standing there. Yeah,
What's that?
That's green. That's green. Don't shoot.
Who's that all the way down there? Who's that guy? All the way over there. All right.
Next guy needs to move the contact from here, okay? So we're going to post up, I'll cover this side, you cover that side. Go. Hey, go. Get that guy right there. This one right there. All right, when you post up, next guy's coming to you. Hey, guy on the other side. Go.
Go.
Connors.
fine. Hold up, I'm down. Combat ineffective.
Wombat clear. Yeah, we're good. Hey. Release by 5 seconds up on the wombat. Canyon. Kill inside that fence.
Chase. Inspection mirror. Inspection mirror.
He's out. You're good. I've got it. You're good, gang. Done.
Tower, what do you see?
Wombat's clear, dude. Wombat's still clear. Go. Yeah, he's out.
I'm gonna move to that point right there.
Roger.
Not now.
Who's shooting at us? Oh, watch out. I don't think there's anybody in that tower. Want to move across, now's the time.
I got you, dude. You wanna move up?
I got a good field of fire right here.
Alright, I'll move up.
I'm not seeing any enemies.
Is it the wombat?
Oh, it's all the way out there. Oh shit. That's a little close.
Hey, is there anyone at APC too?
Dude, right inside the building right there. Someone get shot.